Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make perfect crispy French fries. It was my kids' request after the potato digging. They said they want to try the typical French fries. We've been to potato digging for so many times and it was first time they requested me to make French fries. You can use a frying pan to make it. It's really quick yet delicious. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Slice the potatoes and soak them in cold water. Drain well with paper towels if you have. Place the potatoes in a frying pan. Add deep frying oil up to half height of the potatoes. Put on medium until bubbles come out. Then cook on low for 10 minutes. By the way, root vegetables are easy to cook if you heat them gradually from low temperature. You want to cook slowly first, then turn up to high and cook for 5 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Drain well with paper towels if you have. Sprinkle with salt while hot to finish.
And now it's done.
It was so good, kids loved it. It was gone before I knew it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
食べてみます。
はい。
このフライドポテトって皮あるサクサクしてて美味しいです。お酢ついてる？
ついてる。
甘みがあって美味しい。マクドナルド味と違うみたいな。こっちの方が美味しい。これお菓子みたい。
そうだね、お菓子みたいなね。
カリカリしてるからね。皆さんもぜひ作ってみてください。バイバイ。もう行こう。あっちで食べたい。
はい。